Today, I'm going to show you one ChatGPT trick that will make Google and ChatGPT send traffic to your website. This is huge because AI is changing everything about SEO right now. Most people are using AI wrong and getting zero results. But this trick works so well that search engines actually prefer your content. It's simple, it's fast, and it works even if you're not a tech person. Here's what's happening right now that most people don't know. AI tools like ChatGPT are now the center of every SEO workflow. I'm talking about keyword clustering, writing headings, creating meta tags, building schema, and writing content briefs. But here's the crazy part. These same AI tools are now deciding whether to cite your content in their answers. Think about it. When someone asks ChatGPT a question, it picks which websites to reference. When they use Perplexity, it chooses which sources to show. Google's AI overviews decide which pages get featured. If your content isn't optimized for AI, you're invisible. This is called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. It's the new SEO. And most people have no idea it exists. Google just updated their guidance too. They're looking for people-first content that's actually helpful. They can spot robotic AI content from a mile away. And they hate it. But when you use AI the right way, Google loves it. I've been testing this across our agency with over 50 team members. We've seen what works and what doesn't. The trick I'm about to show you has helped our clients rank faster and get more traffic than ever before. The old way of doing SEO is dead. You used to be able to stuff keywords into mediocre content and rank. Not anymore. Now you're competing against AI-powered content creators who pump out hundreds of articles per day. The only way to win is to be smarter about how you use AI. Most people make one huge mistake. They ask ChatGPT to write an article. It spits out generic garbage. They copy and paste it. Then they wonder why it doesn't rank. That's not how you do it. The secret is turning AI into your expert research assistant. Not your writer, your assistant. Here's the exact trick. I call it the Expert Clarify Draft Humanize method. It has 4 steps, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. Step 1 is the expert role. You don't just ask ChatGPT to write content, you tell it to become a domain expert. This changes everything about the quality of output you get. Step 2 is clarify. You make ChatGPT ask you questions before it writes anything. This ensures the content matches what real people are searching for. Step 3 is draft. ChatGPT creates a complete content brief with headings, meta descriptions, schema markup, and keyword targets. This is your foundation. Step 4 is humanize. This is where most people fail. You don't publish the AI output. You add your own data, quotes, examples, and insights. This is what Google and AI systems actually want to see. Let me show you the exact prompt that makes this work. You are a seasoned SEO content strategist with 10 years experience in your niche. Task: produce a complete article brief that will rank for your target keyword. Ask me up to 3 clarifying questions about audience, angle, and intent. After I answer, generate. Title variance, 5. Meta description, 2. H1/H2/H3 outline. Target keywords, suggested internal links, FAQ schema, 4 QA, and a 150-word intro. Mark any claims that need citations. Keep it concise and practical. That's it. That's the prompt. But here's what makes it so powerful. First, you're telling ChatGPT to act like an expert. This activates better reasoning patterns in the AI. Instead of generic output, you get strategic thinking. Second, you're making it ask questions. This forces the AI to think about search intent, audience needs, and content angles. The questions it asks will surprise you. Third, you're getting a complete content brief. Not just an article. You get titles, meta descriptions, headings, keywords, internal links, and even schema markup. This saves you hours of work. Fourth, you're flagging claims that need citations. This prevents you from publishing unsupported statements that could hurt your rankings. Let me walk you through what happens when you use this prompt. I used it for the keyword email marketing automation. ChatGPT asked me 3 questions. Who is your target audience? What's their main pain point? Do you want to focus on tools or strategy? I answered, small business owners who are overwhelmed by manual email tasks. They want simple automation that actually works. Then ChatGPT generated 5 title options. 2 meta descriptions, a complete outline with H1, H2, and H3 headings, target keywords for each section, suggested internal links, 4 FAQ questions with answers formatted for schema markup, and a 150-word intro that hooks the reader. The whole process took 3 minutes. But I wasn't done yet. The next step is the most important: humanization. The AI output is good, but it's not great. It's generic. It lacks personality. It has no unique insights. Google can spot this stuff easily. So I added my own data: screenshots from actual campaigns, quotes from real clients, case studies from our agency, specific numbers and results, personal stories and experiences. I also fact-checked every claim, added citations for statistics, linked to authoritative sources, made sure every statement was accurate and supportable. This is what turns AI content into human-first content, and it's what Google actually wants to see. But there's more. You also need to handle the technical SEO side. Take the FAQ schema that ChatGPT generated. You copy that JSONLD code and add it to your page. This helps Google understand your content structure. It also makes you eligible for featured snippets. You use the structured headings to organize your content clearly. You mention important entities and related terms naturally throughout the article. You make sure your page loads fast and passes core web vitals. All of this signals to both Google and AI systems that your content is high quality and trustworthy. Now, let me tell you about the risks, because there are some big ones. Never publish unreviewed AI output. Ever. Google can detect purely AI-generated content, and they're getting better at it every day. If you just copy and paste from ChatGPT, you're asking for a penalty. Always add unique insights, primary data from your own research, interviews with real people, personal experiences and case studies, screenshots and examples that no one else has. If you used AI assistance, consider disclosing it. Google appreciates transparency, but only do this if the final content is mostly human-created. Here's what happens when you do this right. We tested this method with one of our clients in the fitness niche. They were struggling to rank for competitive keywords. We used the expert prompt method to create content briefs. Then we humanized each article with their own workout videos, client transformation photos, and personal training insights. Within 3 months, they were ranking on page 1 for their target keywords. But here's the crazy part. ChatGPT and Perplexity started citing their articles in AI-generated answers. Their traffic doubled because they were getting referrals from both Google and AI systems. This is the future of SEO content that works for both human readers and AI systems. Content that gets cited, referenced, and recommended across all platforms. But you need the right tools to make this work consistently. Each one has different strengths. ChatGPT is best for structured prompts. Claude is better for long-form analysis. Perplexity excels at real-time research with citations. For schema testing, I use Google's structured data testing tool. This ensures my schema markup is valid and will be recognized by search engines. The key is having a workflow that combines AI efficiency with human insight. AI handles the heavy lifting. Humans add the value and expertise. I read every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know which keyword you're going to test this on first. And if you want to take your SEO to the next level, I've got 2 ways to help you. First, book a free SEO strategy session with our team. We'll analyze your current rankings and show you exactly how to implement these AI SEO strategies for your business. The link is in the comments and description below. Second, join our SEO Elite Circle. This is where we share our latest AI SEO playbook that we used to grow from 0 to 145,000 plus monthly visitors. You'll get the exact systems we're using to scale past 8 figures. Rank number 1, get more customers. Make money with AI SEO. The link is in the description. Remember, the future of SEO is here. The question is whether you'll be ready for it or left behind by it. The choice is yours.